Imagine this. You're sitting at home and suddenly you hear a soft whirring sound. You look up and see a drone descending gently, carrying a fresh delivery of vegetables right to your doorstep. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, this is the reality today in Gurugram, thanks to TechEagle's innovative drone delivery service. TechEagle, founded by IIT Kanpur alumnus Vikram Singh Meena, is revolutionizing the logistics industry with its state-of-the-art drone technology. These drones aren't just cool gadgets. They are efficient, reliable, and eco-friendly solutions to the ever-growing demand for quick and safe delivery services. Here's how it works. The process starts at a centralized distribution center, where fresh vegetables are carefully packed. The drones, equipped with advanced GPS and AI, then take flight, navigating the urban landscape of Gurugram with precision. They can carry up to 3 kilograms and travel over long distances, ensuring that your produce arrives fresh and on time. One of the most impressive aspects of TechEagle's drones is their ability to handle various weather conditions, making them a reliable option year-round. Plus, their use of aerial routes significantly reduces traffic congestion and carbon emissions, contributing to a greener planet. Residents who have experienced TechEagle's service rave about its convenience and efficiency. It's not just a technological marvel, it's a practical solution to everyday needs, making life easier and more sustainable. If you found this insight into drone delivery fascinating, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech innovations and leave a comment about what you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the future of delivery.